You have been well trained, my young apprentice. They will be no match for you.
Hey guys, Sean back here again with another Collector Room update. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to do an unboxing video. I've never done an unboxing video, so this is my first one, and it's a good one. We're going to have a 1-to-1 scale Phil Robinson Darth Maul bust. Guys, I've had this thing commissioned since the end of January. I just got it this morning. Haven't opened it, haven't seen it. I'm just so excited to get into this. All right guys, let's just do this. And by the way, I expected the box to be a little bit bigger, and it's extremely light. So we just hope everything's gonna be good and there's gonna be no damage, but the box looks like it's in good shape. So cross our fingers. Oh man. Let's see what I got here. Wait, can you see that? I think that's my plaques. All right guys, I also created some custom name plaques, a signature plaque that I sent to Phil. And I had him autograph these. So I've got a signature edition. So I think that's going to pair nicely with it. And I got another one in there just in case. Right. She's like a kid in a candy store. I don't know if you guys seen Phil's 1-to-1 life-size Yoda, but it's amazing. I just go online and check it out. It's probably one of the best. We're almost there. All right, I also had Phil custom make me a hood so I can attach the hood just so I can pose him. But most likely he's going to be posed without the hood. I did not see the stand in there. All right, so without further ado, let's take the hood off. Wow, it's amazing. Holy crap, that is amazing. Wow, the horns. It's actually extremely light. I was expecting it to be a little heavier, but wow. He's done a new technique on the eyes. It's just amazing. Got a signature earring. I was actually expecting a stand, but there's no stand in the box, so looks like we're going hunting this weekend. Wow. Even look at the lips. lips have a nice gloss to them. Wow. It's going to look nicely in the room. Once it gets on the stand, we'll get the cloak put on properly. Wow, that is just amazing. Just to even see the pores, the texture in his pores. Phil's done a fantastic job. Wow. Yeah, and then I'll go ahead and pair that with the plaque.
So after 5 months, what do you think?
Oh, it's well worth the wait. This is going to be one of my premier pieces in the collection. I cannot wait to get it in the room and scare the wife to death. Wow. I don't know what technique he uses for the horns, but man, they are some of the best. All right, guys, there he is. Phil Robinson's 1-to-1 Darth Maul bust. And I tell you what, I couldn't be any more happy. This thing's amazing. I cannot wait to get it in the collector room. I've actually got a nice Crimson Maul lightsaber and then an autograph photo of Ray Park that's going to go with it. Once I get that all displayed, I'll snap some pics, and hopefully I've got a few more pieces coming in. Probably the end of August, we'll go ahead and do an update collection room video. And I'm so stoked to have this. This was going to be one of my prized possessions. So look forward to maybe doing some more unboxing video. I might actually have something for you next week, so we'll see.